just started painting furniture to sell? And are you wondering what color sells best? In today's video, I'm going to show you what two colors sell the best in furniture restoration. As you can see, this piece has a sage-colored set of legs, and then I will be painting the top black. Now, let me ask you 3 guesses on what the paint combination colors are. Let's get started with painting the top black. I just got done painting the table black on top, and can you guess the first color that pretty much always sells, and almost within a day? The color is black. If you paint something all black, it will sell very fast. Now for me, being a furniture artist, I have a hard time painting something all black, because after I paint it black, I want to do dry brushing, and I want to do glazing, and I want to do distressing. But honestly, painting it all black will sell within a couple of days. So if you're looking for some quick cash, furniture painters out there, furniture artists, just paint it all black and sell it. Next. Now, besides black, the other color is sage. This color right here on the legs of this table. This color is sage, mixed with black, even on its own, but most of the time it's mixed with black, like the black top and the sage bottom, but black and sage also sell super fast. We paint dressers black and sage, and our friends will come over and make fun of us for always painting things black and sage. And then we explain to them that they fly out the window. It's insane. We've had black and sage dressers that have sold within the same day we posted them. Sometimes it takes a couple days, but your two colors, if you want to sell furniture fast. First one, all black. Second one, black and sage. I hope you got value out of this video. My name is Angela, and my channel's name is Ms. Angela Sawyer. I post videos weekly about creative living, including furniture redesign, beauty, crafts, ideas. If you're looking for any kind of inspiration or any kind of creativity, you will find it on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.